pictures of them. And, it looks like the biggest dog's in the back. Gee. That's going pretty quick.
He's got to come back uphill. Oh, wow, look at this.
All right, what'd y'all think?
Wow. Yeah.
All right. Well, before they run off on us, let's give a big round of applause to our kennel staff, Julie and Jamie. I couldn't do this without their help, so very much appreciated. And of course now, I'd like to think that you all really came to see me, but I know these guys and gals are the dogs, or the rangers you really wanted to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit about each position of the sled dog team.